Okay, going in from the driver's side here, with that being the brake pedal right there, and you can see where the wire is poking through the rubber there. It's about 2 inches in there, and so I just kept pushing and pushing and pushing until finally it broke through. And here's where I used the wire first, poking and stretching until it poked through. Then I grabbed a bigger screwdriver and poked another bigger hole, trying to get the hole big enough for that electrical wire to put through, and then a slotted screwdriver, and just kept opening it up the best I could. And then I got the electrical wire, and it was a heck of a time trying to force it through there because the hole still wasn't big enough. But I finally got just the red, yellow, and black wire poking through just the tip, and then I grabbed the needle nose pliers and pulled it through. First thing I'm going to do in the engine compartment is remove the air cleaner by undoing this screw, and then undoing this right here, and then just pulling it all away. Okay, let's just go right in here and I'll show you where this wire punched through on the firewall. It's all rubber, and there's just a rubber nipple right here, and you can see the wire poking out right there. And I'm going to reach in there with a pair of needle nose pliers and pull it through just for fun right now. It's all rubber, like I say, and I just kept backing up and pushing and backing up and pushing until that wire came through. Yeah, so I had to go get these needle nose pliers, reach into that nipple, because the only thing that was sticking out was these red, yellow, and black wire right there, just barely sticking out. So I grabbed them with the needle nose pliers and pulled them completely through to where it's at right now. And here's a better picture of the wire completely pulled through. Like I say, it was a bear to get it through there, but I finally got it through there. That was on day one, and I quit after this, and then a couple of days later I went back to install some more stuff. I'll show you that. I ordered this hardware dash camera kit off of Amazon, and I cut this part of the wiring out right here, and here it is right here. And sometimes they come in 10-foot lengths and sometimes 20 feet lengths, and this is the wire that I pulled through the firewall of the Chrysler Pacifica. Then I used the fuse taps that came with the dash cam kit, and I routed the wire so I could put the lid on with no problem. And here's where the ground wire was connected to. I put the fuse box lid back on, put the air cleaner back together, shut the hood, and called it a day. So that's how you get your accessories wire through the firewall to access your fuse box.